Hi, my name is Morgan,
And my name is Savannah.
and we are so excited to explore the Sermon on the Mount with you this week during SonZone, Kingdom Seekers.
We are going to explore this really big question of what does it look like to be a part of God's kingdom?
That is a really big question and kind of a funny one. What does it even mean to be part of any kingdom?
Yeah, that isn't something we normally talk about. Like, we don't live in a kingdom or have a king or any of that sort of thing.
Right, but the Bible talks a lot about kings and kingdoms. The Bible calls Jesus the King of Kings and Lord of Lords.
So if we are part of God's kingdom, then that means we are following God as our king and Lord, doing what he says because he is king over us.
Yes, and kings are the ones who give us guidance on how to live in the right kind of way in the kingdom so that we can live the good life, a blessed life.
God then, as our good king, shows us the right way to live. But how does he tell us the right way to live?
Thankfully, he has given us the Bible, which is his word to us, to learn his right way to live.
There is something God said in his word that we're going to come back to over and over again this week. This is the main verse that we want you guys to remember. It comes from the Sermon on the Mount in the Bible, the book of Matthew 6:33. But seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness.
To seek something first means it is most important to you. It's something you think about often, you don't forget about it, and it actually means something in your life.
This week, as kingdom seekers, we want to learn what it means to seek God's kingdom first. One of the ways we'll do that is through daily teaching from the Sermon on the Mount.
Today's teaching is from Matthew 5:13 through 16. We will talk about two different ways a kingdom seeker is described. A kingdom seeker is called salt and light.
Do you like salt? Salt was used for specific reasons before we had fridges and freezers. It didn't just make food taste better, but it actually helped meat stay good for eating so it didn't spoil.
And what about light? Light is helpful to see, isn't it? What do salt and light have to do with being a kingdom seeker? Well, it's a good thing you're here today. We look forward to learning with you from Jesus' Sermon on the Mount.